Hi guys, we've got the Tuono Racing out of the holiday break. We're gonna see if it will start right up. It's still Aprilia, but we will think it's in decent shape, so it will start right up. Gonna change the camera view a little bit. The genuine Aprilia Tuono Racing. Really special bike. Carbon everywhere. It's a really beautiful bike, so yeah, we're gonna give it a go. So, as you can see, it's still cold. The fuel pump primes, so that's a good sign. Got the shock on, and now we're gonna give it a go.